Good morning, everybody. It's September 1st, and time for me to start teasing Thomas because his birthday's this month. All right, I am going to be reading off this pad of paper. Lots of earthquakes, okay? So I may not be looking straight into the camera, and I apologize. Okay, we had a 4.3 in Peru at 143 kilometers. We had a 4.4 in Japan region at 127 kilometers. We had a 4.8 in northern Alaska at 17 kilometers. We had a 5.5 mid-Indian region at 10 kilometers. We had a 4.6 in Iran-Iraq border at 10 kilometers. We had a 4.0 off the shore of Chile at 10 kilometers. We had a 4.7 in Colombia, 10 kilometers. We had a 4.0 Andreoff Island at 10 kilometers. 4.9 South Pacific Ocean. They didn't have any kilometers, so I don't know what the kilometers was on that one. 4.7 Papua New Guinea at 213 kilometers. 4.8 Southern Georgia and the Sandwich Islands, and that's in the South Atlantic, and that was at 10 kilometers. A 3.1 in Oregon, which was at 10 kilometers. A 2.7 in Nevada, which is at 5.0 kilometers. 2.3 in California at 7.5 kilometers. A 2.1 in California again at 54 kilometers. A 2.1 in California at 5.4 kilometers. And a 2.9 in Nevada at 5 kilometers. Wow, guys, there's lots of tropical storms and hurricanes going on out there. All right, so what I'm going to do is read these off. The tropical depression we had out there yesterday off our east coast has been named. Her name is Florence. She's now moving west-northwest at 14 miles an hour with sustained wind of 40. A new tropical depression off the west coast hasn't been named yet, but it's moving west-northwest at 8 miles an hour with a sustained wind of 35. Norman is a Cat 2, moving west at 8 miles an hour, sustained wind of 110. All of the spaghetti models are showing it coming close to Hawaii. I will keep an eye on that, I promise. And Tropical Storm Florence, I'll keep an eye on her off our east coast. Hurricane Marina is a Cat 1, moving 9 miles an hour with a sustained wind of 85. Now she's moving north, okay? Jebi. Those poor people in China. Oh my God, they've had their hands full this last couple of months. Typhoon Jebi is moving northwest at 14 miles an hour, set to hit Japan. Sustained wind right now at 155. All right, that's all I have for right now. That's enough. I'll keep an eye on Norman and Florence and the new tropical storm in off the west coast. It hasn't been named yet. God bless everybody. Please be safe out there. Keep your eyes, your ears open, and you are all awesome. Thank you so much for watching.